Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today is my birthday. So this video will be just a chit chat, get ready with me, and there will also be a giveaway, so if you want to see that then just keep on watching. Okay, so I'm gonna start by priming my face with the Kiko Prime and Fix Refreshing Mist. Foundation, I'm going to use the Kiko Full Coverage 2-in-1 Foundation and Concealer. Okay, so this is my 31st birthday and I have learned a few things while I'm 30. Well, to start, I think that being 30 feels a lot better than I thought it would. You just start to feel a lot mature, or more mature at least, and I think that actually feels great. I wasn't expecting that, but it really does. And what things did I learn while being 30? Well, I guess when you're 30 you start to care a lot less about what other people say about you. And that also feels really good. Now for concealer, I'm using the Revolution Conceal and Define in the shade C6, and this will brighten up my under eyes. So I am kind of just now starting to feel like really an adult, because until now I didn't exactly feel like it. But another thing I have learned, that it feels like it's okay to not have everything together, like having a plan. And yeah, last year it was my 30th birthday, and I did the 30 facts about me. So this year I thought I would do like things you find out when you're 30. For powder, I'm using the NYX HD loose powder. So those are basically the main things I have learned while I'm 30. Doesn't really matter what people say about you or think about you, and it's okay to not have everything planned. Also, you do learn a lot more to accept your body and be comfortable with it. So what I wanted to say is, like, if you are scared, maybe if you are getting in your 30s, is just don't, because being 30 actually feels really great. For bronzer, I'm using the Kiko Gold Waves bronzer, and I actually did this makeup combo the other day and I really liked it, and I felt like, well, I should probably film it. This will be something very simple actually. Now I am taking a fluffy eye brush and I'm just using the bronzer to give a little bit of depth to my eyes. This will be like my everyday spring makeup. I don't actually have time to do makeup every day, so this is a little something that I usually do. So taking a little bit of bronzer on my lower lash line. For blush, I am using the Cien highlight powder Rouge. This is a really nice blush from Little. Just doing a little bit of blush. I like it very subtle. And then for highlighter, I'm using the Sof X Revolution highlighter palette, and I really like to use the second shade that is actually getting a lot of quite a dent in it. Okay, so about the giveaway, as I mentioned in the other video, I talked about it. I have hit 200 subscribers and now I'm just gonna a little bit over it. I have already done 100 videos, which I think is a really good mark. Actually, I watch the video influencers channel and they usually say your channel doesn't really start until you've done 100 videos. I have done the highlighter on my brow bone and I'm taking a small brush to do my inner corner. And I have also hit 10,000 views, which a few years ago it was the mark to start monetizing your channel, but now you need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time in the past 12 months, so I still need to build that up. And then it's also my birthday, so all of those are reasons that I'm doing this giveaway. It's a small giveaway, but I thought I would do it. For my brows, I'm using the Revolution Pro Brow Pomade, and I'm just doing a little something to them, nothing too much. Oh, also another thing about being 30 is that you really learn the importance of integrity and humbleness and honesty. All three things that James Charles clearly doesn't have. I am absolutely shocked about all of the tea that was spilled this past weekend. And yeah, I already loved Tati. Now I have so much more respect for her. And I'm sorry if you're a fan of James Charles, but I liked him for his makeup skills. I never actually really liked his character, and now I completely don't. Okay, so I'm just going to do a little bit of winged liner, and I'm using the NYX Epic Ink Liner, but I gotta shut up for this. I think this side is not exactly perfect, but maybe it will get better with the Kiko Everlasting Kajal on my waterline. so I just fixed it with a little bit of concealer and it looks a lot better. So for mascara, I'm using the Kiko Standout Volume Buildable Mascara, and I should probably finish talking about the giveaway. So I will be giving away the Revolution Reloaded Deep Dive Eyeshadow Palette. This was the palette that got, I would say, most requests, but all of the requests were for this one. And I've actually bought one for myself too, if you haven't seen my last video. So I'll leave all of the rules for the giveaway in the description box, but all you gotta do is be subscribed to my channel and like the video, follow me on Instagram, and then leave me a comment below with your Instagram handle so I can contact you, and that is basically it. And I don't know if I'll regret it because of the shipping cost, but the giveaway will be international, because although I am Portuguese and I have quite a few followers in Portugal, I also have a lot of followers all over the world, and I thought that would be the thing that made most sense. Also, I want to thank all of you that have been here from the beginning, or from a few months ago, or if you just found out my channel. I want to thank all of you. I'll have the giveaway open till May 31 at like midnight. So yeah, basically the giveaway will be open till the very end of the month, and then I'll announce it on the description box, or I'll pin the comment, and I'll also announce it on my Instagram stories. Got a white hair in here. I actually don't have a lot of white hairs yet, but they're all like stuck in here in the front. Okay, so for my lips, I'm using the Kiko Dark Treasure liquid lipstick. Yeah, I really love this lipstick color, and I usually get a lot of compliments on it. And to set everything, I'm just using again the Kiko Prime Fix. Also adding a little bit of perfume. This is the Carolina Herrera Good Girl. Okay, so that is basically my current everyday makeup. I just usually change the lipstick, and I really hope you enjoyed this video. I know I didn't have a lot of stuff to talk about, but then I would probably not be done with the makeup anytime soon. And yeah, I really hope you enjoyed this video. Leave me your comments down below. Don't forget to enter the giveaway. And if you liked the video, give me a thumbs up, that helps a lot. And also don't forget to subscribe if you wanna enter the giveaway. And yeah, that is everything for today's video, and thank you so much for watching. Bye!